Don't forget to like and subscribe.
I'll be right back, Dave.
Okay. I know what I'm going to do. Hey. Ah! Hey. Ow. Ow.
Lily? I need you to take out the clothes from the dryer and vacuum your room.
Okay. That's money. I know what I'm gonna do. I'll do date to you, my slips. Hey, Dave, I have something for you.
What do you want? Leave me alone.
I have a way so you can make some money.
Money? What kind of money?
This kind of money.
What do I need to do?
You just have to clean the tire and do another one.
Done. All done.
Okay, here's the money.
This is fake. This sucks now. She is gone, dead meat. She is going to be my dessert. I'm gonna have some food of revenge.
I surrender!
Since you surrendered, give me the real money.
Fine.
Hit that like button. Now, hit it.